Hello, this video is going to show you how you can connect data to conversational analytics within your Looker environment. Firstly, we're going to go to Conversations on the left-hand side, and then from there we have two options. Firstly, we can create an agent that can be given additional context and information about your use case and data, or we can connect directly to the Looker explorers that are ready for use. We're going to touch on agents in a later video, so we're going to focus on explorers right now. Within the drop-down for the list of available explorers, this is all controlled by the data that a user has access to within Looker. So, for example, the data that I can see on a dashboard or within an explorer, all of those explorers are visible to the end user within the conversational analytics experience. We can then select the explorer we want to query, and now we're able to have that natural language conversation with the data itself.